guys! So today I am going to do a grocery store haul because I need some stuff, especially some snacks, to cook with. So I'm going to go to Buford Highway Farmers Market. If you don't know what Buford Highway Farmers Market is, it's pretty much, how can I put this? Like H Mart. So if you heard H Mart, it's like a Korean grocery store, but it's like their own little twist, because not only do they have like a lot of like Korean type of products, they also have different Asian products as well, and then they have other Hispanic type of groceries there. Honestly, I think they have something for everyone of every culture, whether you're European, whether you're African, Caribbean, they got it all. And they also have like a cute little food court in there too, so I'm gonna eat in there too. So yeah, let's go. And look who I found.
What? Hi.
Okay, yep. So this is what I need for sure. They already have the marinated Korean bulgogi and marinated Korean barbecue pork. I'm probably gonna go. This looks like a good one. Favorite. I cannot leave here without these. Look at all the different porridges they have. They even have sweet pumpkin porridge. I've tried this once from a Korean restaurant, and I'm actually curious as to how this one would taste since it's instant. Like, will it be as good? So we're gonna try it out. I feel like I'd call this the seaweed wall. Look how long it goes. Okay, that's it. See, they have BTS Americano. Who'd I get? Sugar. I don't like Americanos though. They had a latte, I'd get it. Okay, vanilla latte. It's so far back. I'm so short. I got gin, vanilla latte. I'll take it. These are really good too, but I've had them so much now that I'm kind of tired of them. Like, I ate them that much. You can't go wrong with these at all. Who they got, Becky? Looks like it says that. Could be wrong. But I have never had these before, but these look really promising. I hope they taste like the beaver nuggets from Buc-ee's, because I've been craving those for a while and I can't find anything similar, so maybe let's try it out. the whole section. Just ramen everywhere. Ooh. Everything is up so high. Let's try it out. Carbonara edition. I'm heartbroken. They're sold out of the banana. Oh, I'm so sad. We'll try strawberry. Why not? Getting into the European section. Everything always looks so good here. I might get the pistachio. Thank you. Just gotta throw it. I don't know where I'm smelling it from, but I'm smelling coffee. And now I want some. Alright, so back home, got all the snacks that I needed, got some fun food items. I'm probably going to cook with that in a bit because I am starving. I'm starving to the point that I did eat the pistachio baklava already in the car, like before I got in here. I was looking forward to eating there at Buford Highway Farmers Market, but unfortunately they were closed, so that's a bummer. Altogether, this has cost me $99 and like 89 cents, something like that. So you can just round it up to 100. And it's crazy how high that groceries are because it's not even that many items. All right, so I was going back and forth on the sweet pumpkin porridge and I settled for this one. I hope it's good. I have not had it instant before. Like I said, I had it at some Korean restaurant I was at and it was really good. But I know this brand. I know CJ Foods, so I hope this is good. I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably like mainly excited to try the caramel maple corn, just for the simple fact that I'm hoping they taste like the beaver nuggets at Buc-ee's. If you don't know what Buc-ee's is, I highly suggest you look it up. Highly suggest. I don't think you've seen me grab this, but I just wanted to try crab flavored chips. Hopefully they are good and we don't have the same problem that we had with the last crab flavored chips I tried in the previous snack video I did. I got strawberry Kit Kats. These are Japanese. I have not tried these. I've had the raspberry Kit Kats from Japan before, so I hope these are just as good. Active dry yeast, is that like... Do I have to say what that is? It is what it is. I did replace these Xinjiang snacks. I swapped them out because originally you saw me have the honey twist. But I like these a little better. So I got these. I ended up getting kimchi fried rice just because that sounds delicious and I haven't had that in a while. So wanted to get that. Something quick, easy to make, just easy to just whip up. I heard this was a really good brand, so I'm really excited to try these dumplings. They're supposed to be pork. I hope they're good. They should be. CJ Foods once again, so they should. It should be good. Should be good. And yeah, so that is what I got. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you had a great time shopping with me and seeing this haul that I have. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe where I put out new videos every Monday. And until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.